Hi everyone, my name is Yadav. I started my journey 3 months ago on the Treecampus app and I improved myself a lot. Now I am a confident English speaker. Treecampus app provides 90 days recorded videos, live classes, good teachers and many more. All the teachers are very supportive in nature. They provide a good atmosphere where all the learners can speak easily. Many more apps are available in the T-Campus app because it is a single app that provides everything free of charge. Thank you.